Oh, and making breakfast. So, did you make some for me?
You can't be serious. I'm not making any breakfast for you. Where's you got all those bitches up in here?
Oh, I see how it is. Jealous.
Me jealous? Trust me, I had a taste of you, and it wasn't that pleasant. You could last a little longer, though.
It's because you got me so excited, Octavia. I mean, look at you.
Excuse me? You're supposed to call me at Uber so I can go home?
I never said that. I asked you if you had Uber on your phone. Yo, get the fuck out.
Dick game is whack anyways.
Yeah, you always say that shit with my balls is in your mouth, though.
Wow, you sure have a way with women, Anthony.
Yo, screw her. So, what are you doing today? You want to work? I was thinking maybe me and you could go out on a date.
Yeah, I'll go out with you. When you get a job.
Tayo, that's cool as hell.
Anthony, I'm serious. You need to go look for work. I can't pay all the bills.
I'm looking at you, alright? It's just been kind of
No,
hard.
you need to go look. I can't do this by myself. Look, I'm already doing this as a favor to you because we've grew up together. But I can't keep doing this for you, Anthony. You have to find a job, okay? Clean up this dish for me, please. I'm gonna be late. Check Indeed.
Wait, hold on, my wife's calling. Hello, my love. Oh, what's up? No, I'm just home. Yeah, watching some shows. How are you? Oh, you're a little bit, your sister a little longer? Okay, that's cool. Alright, love you, okay. Why are you looking at me like that? Octavia, don't be like that. I have to ask for the phone. She's my wife. Look, I promise I want to make it up to you. Remember you said you wanted a new iPhone? What to buy for you?
Yo, fuck that new iPhone. I want you to pay my bills. That's why I came here.
Yeah, and I promise I want to pay your bills. Calm down. What are you acting like that for?
Don't tell me to calm down, okay? I'm tired of this shit.
Octavia, you're being unfair. I have a lot of things to do. Okay, I can't just pay your bills. I have to pay my bills as well. Remember, I'm the only one working in my family.
You know what? Screw you, Day. Hey, neighbor. Hi. I was wondering if I can come over your house. Don't worry, your roommate's over here. You're Anthony, right? Octavia's always talking about you.
Will be good. It's all negative, right?
No, always good stuff. I see all those girls always coming out of your house. Are they all your girlfriend?
Nah, I'm single. I don't got no time for that relationship bullshit.
Do I make you nervous?
No. How old are you?
Why are you so curious about that?
Because I don't want to end up in prison.
I just turned 18. You know my dad and your roommate is having an affair, right?
Yeah, I already know, but I don't give a shit because it's not my problem.
Yeah, I don't really care either. My mom's a bitch. She's always on my case about everything. She's so annoying. She even forced me to go to that college I don't want to go to. I can't stand her.
Yeah, Shawnee, I don't really give a shit about your problems. I got my own problems to deal with.
Well, can you do me a favor? Can I please stay here with you for the night? Then I'll go home tomorrow. Please, Anthony, I'm begging you.
Yeah, sure. I'm sure Octavia won't have an issue with it. I mean, she makes me do whatever I want anyways. Boy, you're gonna have to do whatever I want. And I mean everything.
What is your problem? I came home 1 hour late. Why are you acting like this?
It's because we don't spend time with each other. You're always at your sister's house.
Oh, give me a break. You are such a crybaby. You whiny little bitch. This is why I don't come home. Because I don't want to hear your nagging. You're a man, Daddy. Act like one. I'm so sick of your shit. I called you today. Wasn't that enough? What else do you want from me? Every time we're on the road, you keep calling me and calling me and calling me. I want to spend time with my family. Why is that so bad? You know what you need to do? You need to talk to your daughter and tell her to come home. That little brat doesn't listen to anything I say to her. She is so annoying, just like her father. You know what? One day I'm just gonna run the hell away from the both of you because I'm tired of this bullshit between you and her and all this fuckery. Instead of you being the man of the house, you're being a whiny little bitch.
That is not fair, Shireen.
Oh, screw this shit. This is why I drink, asshole.